Hi there, YouTube. I might show you this here snow blizzard we're getting today on the very 1st of February. It's the biggest snowstorm of the year here in Kansas. And the sidewalk is covered, the driveway is covered, the streets are covered, the grass is covered, everything is covered. Yep. And it wasn't like this yesterday. Yesterday, or actually, I think, like a couple days ago, we had another snowstorm, and the sun was melting it all, and now we're getting another one, and this is by far the biggest one of the year. So this freaking door is fogging up on the inside because it's so warm on the inside and so cold on the outside. That is just, I don't know what to describe that as. What's he gonna do? Plow snow? It's still snowing, buddy. You ain't gonna get much. Alrighty then. I ain't the boss of you. But man, this is just one hell of a snowstorm. I don't know if you can hear that wind blowing, but it's blowing pretty good. And I'm not going out there. It's way too damn cold. Thermometer says it's about like below 20. I'll get you a better view at the main window. Alright, I think this might be a better view for you. The cars are kind of covered. Windshield isn't all the way covered, and I don't think mine is either. Nice. But he's shoveling his driveway. Snow is blowing all around. I don't know if you can see it, this camera. But bushes are pretty covered. You cannot see the sidewalk at all. Alright, we're at my window in my room here, which is the south window. Look at, do you see that coming down? All of that. See how fast that is coming down? That's just crazy right there. I tell you. Look at all that. It's amazing how much snow can be falling. Look how fast that's going, man. It's like rain. It's like rain, but it's snow. I don't want no more snow. I had enough of it last time. Like the week before. This is the other window. Open the blind here. Oh my god, the screen is covered in snow. This is the backyard. Good golly. This is just really... I think this is the third time I've seen snow. Or, I don't know, I think, maybe the second time this year I've seen a snowstorm this big. Or well, the second snowstorm of the year at least. That's what I was trying to say there. But, now we're here at the other main window. This is the, I think, the west window in the living room here.
Get a picture of the back.
Here is the kitchen window to the backyard. It's yeah, you probably guessed it was, everything is covered. I'll take you to the back door here. Everything is covered. Of course it has to be, because all the snow is gathering up. You know, I would like some nice weather, you know. Seeing the snow so much. Hey, be quiet. Seeing all the snow. Oh my god. Look at that. What the heck? We're getting some wind here now. But anyway, I would like to have some nice weather for once. For a freaking change. Because all we're getting is all this snow, and I don't want any more snow. We've had, I think, this is the second snowstorm of the year, and I'm tired of seeing it. I'm so tired of seeing all the snow. I want to see grass. I want to see flowers. I want to see grass. I want to see blue skies. I'm tired of all this white stuff. That kind of sounded wrong, but you get my point. But that's all I got to show you. Ooh, look at that. Look at that snow blowing that snow off there. Man, all that snow's on the roof? Dang. But that's all I got to show you. I'll see y'all on YouTube. Bye-bye.